Hello, beautiful people. This is Mario, and you are watching Just Like Paradise. So we just got to the train market, Sriagarindra. Closest BTS to this place is, I believe, on Nut. Is what I read. And it's a pretty nice little place. It costs us almost 200 baht to go from on Nut BTS to this place. So your miles may vary. They have a lot of really cool things here, especially some really cool antique muscle cars and stuff like that. As with every train market, there's an array of funny vehicles, usually used as backdrops for some of the stores that haven't set up yet. We're still a little early, so you can see someone setting it up. We're super early. It's only 6:16, so here we go, deep into the market. You can find anything here, even animals. Oh man, look, they just got an airplane. Can you see that? That wasn't here last time, so we're gonna go check that out. The place is pretty large, so bear with me. Here's a sight you don't see every day. Freaking airplane on the roof of a building. Wow, look at this badass Airstream. I mean, shine to the hilt. Look at that bad boy. Over here, a beautiful Chevy. What did I tell you? Lowrider, pretty badass. Marty. So this is Rod's Antique Buy Sell. There's some vintage motorcycles. Looks like an Indian. Yeah, lots of antique car stuff, looks like. Helmets, hubcaps. I mean, look at the chrome on that thing. It's really well done. These Thais really know how to restore stuff. An old gas tank. Lots of interesting things. Here's perfect weird doctor's office, I guess, setup. Another gas pump. Another beautiful bike with a suicide shifter. Vintage shell sign. There's a mean looking guy. Looks like this was down on the ground before and they built some sort of glass house to support it. Pretty interesting. Tons and tons of antiques in this area. American memorabilia up the yin yang. And look at the collection of Star Wars. A nice old Phillips sign. The place is very well designed. I mean, look at the different kinds of bikes. I've never seen one of these before. Looks like something out of the Jetsons. It's called a something me. Another one with all kinds of gas station pumps. I mean, this definitely looks like some sort of a little space machine. You'd see in Buck Rogers. Look at that. This used to be open, and this used to have the baddest Volkswagen bus. You can see there's a little Vespa. The guy does restorations, but it looks closed today. I think maybe Thursdays aren't the best days to come. It's like something out of Mad Max. An interesting little place. It's a Moon store, dressed up as a diner from the 60s, 40s, 50s, 60s, I guess. So it is the Moon Eye store. A lot of nostalgia in his room. And what they became famous for, those moon hubcaps. Now for something completely different. This charger's been in this configuration as long as I can remember coming here. I'm not sure what's going on with it. As you can see, the lineup is pretty extensive. Oh, here's a beautiful Lincoln convertible, 4-door. Looks like a 64, but I'm not sure. Get yourself a lowrider Chevy Impala. It's kind of tight in here. Looks like a 409. Could be wrong. Impala, maybe? It's so cramped in here, you can't really get a picture of all the cars. There's a nice Caddy convertible. As long as could never even fit this in my garage. Looks like it's a bubble top. I could be wrong on that though. Anyways, I think one of my buddies used to have one of these. Here's an El Camino with the patina. I saw this thing in the garage next door last time we were here. Looks pretty darn cool. Interior's not in it yet. Some car parts. Nice little Harley. Some miscellaneous motorcycles. There was a Charger sitting here where this car is. It was a replica of the car that was in Fast and Furious. We got a Cherry Bug, a newer one, Vanagon truck, a little mini Minor, Morris Minor, got a Chevy van, badass. It looks to be a cab over. Beautiful Chevy truck. Another beautiful truck. Something weird back here. Looks like some sort of military peace wagon thing that they've made. It's trippy. Now, I've never been to this side. Seems always closed off. There's a menacing Chevy. Wow, look at this big car. I don't know what this is. And look, this is something else. Engines. This is a bad boy, man. It's a big car. Oh, some more cars over here that I didn't notice before. So made to look like a gas station, the facade hid all these cars, which I never saw before. Let's check these bad boys out. I mean, look at these cars, they're just gorgeous. Look at this rat rod. Front end of a tuk-tuk there with a go-kart. Well, looky here. First time I saw this one. Wow. 351 Mustang. Wow. This is something else. It is so black you can't even see any imperfections on it at all. They did a really good job at restoring this thing. Seriously. Although the interior is not quite there yet, the outside sure is. It's my first Mustang that I've seen. Here's a little old Willis. Some miscellaneous motorcycles, especially this bad boy here. There's a lot of money over here, let me tell ya. Looks like they're getting ready for some more vehicles. Wow, look at this bad boy. Oh my God, there's a bunch of Volkswagen Beetles just stuffed over here. I mean, buses, completely restored. Worth shit tons of money in America. Look at that. Wow. You just can't do these things justice. They are just so straight, so clean. That looks like a BMW here. Yeah. And this bad boy, I don't know what this is, but it looks sick. Looks like it's been chopped. I don't know if this is stock. It's a Buick, yeah, because it's got the portholes on the side. Yeah, that front end looks like a Buick to me. Some more bugs. I'm sorry, I keep calling them bugs. They're Volkswagen. This one's not restored yet. This is a newer one. Truck. Cool. Well, this thing is restored to the hilt. I mean, it is gorgeous. Yeah, this place has never been open when I was here before. They were always working on them, you know? Like, it looks like there was a shop of some sort. So, here we got Moon Eyes. Bangkok. Ah, now we found that car. Replica of Fast and Furious. They made a little garage here to present this bad boy. This car is flawless. You cannot see any imperfections in the paint. They love black, and let me tell you, they do it good. Back before, when I first saw this car about 2 years ago, it had an actual blower, so maybe they're not going quite with the replica, but it is so cool. Tool chests, and anyways, well, there she goes on a really nice lift. Machine shop. It is a working machine shop, that's for sure. They don't mess around here. That area over there really just took me by surprise. I'm really happy that I was able to film some of those cars. interesting color combo. It doesn't really come out until you get over here. That is really nice. It's a nice old Chevy. It looks like a 3-ton or some. What the hell is this? 5700. Was it a 5-ton? I don't know my Chevys that much, but this is a big truck. I've never really seen one like this before. They really love their Chevy trucks here, that's for sure. Now we're gonna go over to the garage. This is where that El Camino was before. Wowie, wow, wow, wow. Check this bad boy out. Red on red, convertible Chevy. Small block. All the different motors, waiting, all the different parts, waiting for the different cars. This is heaven for me. I really can't wait to get my hands on my Mustang. I'll walk over there, but there's a train sitting right there, which is part of the reason why they call this place Train Market. Yeah, not a lot of people here today, I'll be honest with you. It looks as if maybe Thursday night's not the day to show up. Or maybe it is. Here's another whole row of antiques and whatnot. A lot of places are closed. A lot of the restaurants are closed. Oh, here's a cool little anime store. Look at this. Oh, I'm going in. Wow. This place is enormous, just full of interesting memorabilia. Really cool. I think these things used to come as equipment on a car. Wow, you just find about anything in this place. They really tend to embrace Americana too. And just like most all train markets, Rachada included, Rachada. You know, a lot of clothes, a lot of shoes, a lot of doodads, hickey-doohickeys. Good deals though, to be had. I think you could definitely get your 10,000 steps in a day here. Well, that just about does it for tonight. It is a hot one out here. It's like I'm in a sauna. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, and share. It shows me that you care. Take it easy and check out some of my other videos.